Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Badger, a tool that have just came out on AppSumo and it costs only $29 per month. It's an SEO report tool, so you're gonna connect your SEO source, your Google Search Console, or other tools like Semrush, Lighthouse, etc. You're gonna connect it, your Google Ads, etc, and then you're going to have a fully comprehensive report, and you can share it with your customers, share it with your partners. It's a 10-second SEO report, and it works pretty well and pretty fine. The tool costs here $29. And then you got one project, like one website. You're gonna get all future Badger plan updates, and if you buy tier 2, then you're gonna get white labeling with custom branding and logo. With tier 1, you do not get the white labeling. So that tool, it's better to take at least tier 2. So you have here the tool for 5 websites and so on. If you get more, you're gonna get more websites. The tier 4, $289, you get 100 projects, white labeling, and custom branding and logo for all of them. Let's take a look at the tool. So here you can check Badger. You can see the reports here. You can get source from Google Search Console, Google Analytics, Semrush, and Lighthouse. Coming soon, Google Business and Google Ads. Okay, so you just connect the source, you're gonna get the report. Let's now take a look at the tool. The first thing you're gonna see to connect a new project is to add website URL. So just do that, and you're gonna connect your Google Analytics, Google Search Console, Semrush, and Google Lighthouse. Let's start here with Google Analytics, and then you can connect your Google Search Console. So Badger will create your sample report. You can change the name, okay, only to report, for instance. You can see your desktop performance, accessibility, best practice, SEO. You see all the metrics here, your search performance, your average position, average CTR, impressions, here monthly. Your top keywords will show up here as well. And then you can select the tool to see only the source you want, for instance, only the search console data. And then you're going to see it here. All of them to Google Analytics, Semrush, and Lighthouse as well. As you can see, it's pretty easy to create a new report, to check your data, and to work with the tool. On settings, you can add your custom logo for the report. You can change the country that you are tracking, and you can connect and reconnect tool. Remember, if you buy tier 2, you're gonna get a different project. It's pretty easy to understand and to use the tool. It's all of that. Just connect the source, add your logo, select your country, and you're gonna have the data with your keywords, page, your main page with clicks, impressions, etc. I hope you have liked that review. Please, if you like that review, just click on the link below, because you're gonna get there the best price for Badger. You can buy Badger right now as a lifetime deal, so you pay once and you use forever. I hope you like that review. Thank you so much. Bye bye.